For our last lesson, Lesson 4, we will be covering Domain 2, Instruction 2.3, Communication. Educators who successfully complete this module will be able to purposefully integrate technology into their teaching and learning by applying the T-TEST Domain and Dimensions rubrics for technology and their specific descriptors of practice in their lesson designs. The goal for Lesson 4 is educators will be able to integrate the technology descriptors of practice for Domain 2, Instruction 2.3, Communication in their lessons. The objectives for Lesson 4 are Objective 4.1, describe what the technology descriptors of practice Domain 2, Instruction 2.3 Communication is. Objective 4.2, integrate the 5 different performance levels. Objective 4.3, appraise their lesson and what performance level it would fall into. And Objective 4.4, compose a plan to attain the desired performance level. Both of the required texts can be found on the web. The first one is from the ESC Region 17 T-TEST flip chart. You can download your own T-TEST flip chart using the links provided. The second one is from the Texas Education Agency on T-TEST and what is T-TEST, and you can get it by clicking on the link for teachfortexas.org. Both of those texts will be required to successfully complete this lesson. You will have 3 assignments for the lesson. You will have a quiz worth 25 points, a discussion question for 25 points, and an assignment for 25 points, which comes up to a total of 75 points that you will receive for the assignments for this lesson. The topical outline for Lesson 4, we will first be going over the 5 performance levels, which are distinguished, accomplished, proficient, developing, improvement needed, and finally we'll be going over what to look for Lesson 4. We'll be using both of those resources to find out what is Domain 2 Instruction 2.3 Communication. That is that the teacher clearly and accurately communicates to support persistence, deeper learning, and effective effort. You will be able to use any resource that you get from the website and also from the T-TEST flip chart that you download for your use. But all you would have to go over is Domain 2, Instruction 2.3 Communication, and then you would have to successfully complete the different assignments. So what's next? After successfully completing Lesson 4, you will move on to goal setting. You would consider, what do you want to achieve? How will you accomplish this goal? When do you anticipate your goal will be met? How do you know your goal has been met? How will you know whether or not it has impacted instruction and student achievement?